Hello dear learners, hope you are doing fine. Welcome to video lesson number 5 in our series of videos on discursive essays, IELTS Writing Task 2. In this video, we are going to start where we stopped in the previous video. So in this, we are going to construct the second body paragraph. Just to quickly refresh the question that we have been working with throughout this series. It's the question on unpaid community service becoming compulsory in high schools, and there is an opposite view who feel that programs disregard students' freedom of choice. So if you want to know more about how did I make the plan on the left, the introduction and the body paragraph step by step, it's a good idea to watch my previous videos in the same playlist or the series, so that you comfortably blend in and take the most from this video. Our job in this video is to convert body paragraph 2 part into a complete body paragraph. So we have the introduction and the body paragraph number 1 and our essay plan to resort to combine piece by piece everything that will go in body paragraph number 2. So let's do that one by one. Now, just a word on this body paragraph. The second body paragraph ideally is the view, or is going to explain or talk about the view that you lean more towards, that you agree with, the writer agrees with, that will comfortably and smoothly flow into the conclusion where you will restate your view. So always keep in mind, the body paragraph that comes after the introduction should talk about the opposite view, the view you don't agree with, and the second body paragraph should talk about the view that you tend to agree with. So this view is how community service provides life skills and improves education and work prospects of the students studying in high school, obviously, because that's been the topic. So that's the central idea, the controlling idea of this body paragraph. Let's try to piece the paragraph one by one. So I have 2 topic sentences. Look at the part of the plan which gives us points about a second body paragraph. Look at the context in which is it appearing. So context means the paragraph before it and the conclusion after it. And based on that, make a decision. Choose one sentence out of T1 and T2 that fits appropriately with the second body paragraph. So you have the topic central idea right mentioned in the plan. You also have the supporting details. That's a good enough data or information for us to pick T1 or T2 as the best candidate for the topic sentence for body paragraph number 2. Hopefully you tried and you have the same answer. The answer is tada, T2. Others, however, counter this view by asserting that these projects can help them gain invaluable life skills and improve their higher education cum career prospects. Now this is important because in the first body paragraph, we talked about the negative aspect of making community service compulsory. The fact that it infringes the personal choice, fundamental rights of students. The students are not able to choose or pursue other hobbies and activities. So this is going to contradict that view and give another perspective. That is why the marker, however, fits well. Others, however, counter this view. So that's why that's the right answer. So we have the topic sentence. Let's talk about the supporting sentence. So you will see supporting sentence A, B, C and D. I want you to pause the video right now. Take 2 or 3 minutes, read each sentences and reorder all sentences except for the topic sentence. So reorder A, B, C and D in a way that everything including the topic sentence makes a coherent paragraph. So you have the plan on the top, so just refer to the plan and the sentences below. I want you to order the sentences A, B, C and D so that everything fits and combines together to make a nice body paragraph which is coherent, which is linked. And the right answer is okay. So after the body paragraph, we have statement number C. Compared to classroom instruction, these assignments would allow them to enhance their problem solving, teamwork and decision making abilities, which are imperative for professional excellence. Yeah. And then we have A. It's extending the same point. Furthermore, this kind of experience could be an important differentiating factor for candidates who seek to enter university or are looking to start work. We have D, which gives an example of a CNN survey. For instance, a CNN survey found that about 90% of successful applicants to Ivy League universities had a significant amount of volunteering experience. So this example clearly supports the point that we are trying to make in this body paragraph. And another example of a focus group conducted by Fortune magazine, which revealed that about 75% employers preferred candidates who have participated in social work projects. So both these examples combine together well to support and back and rationalize what we are trying to convey in this body paragraph. Yeah? So everything together combines to have body paragraph number 2, which is talking about the view that we tend to lean more towards, about the benefits of community service becoming compulsory in high schools. Yeah? Now let's check whether the supporting sentences in black are related to the topic sentences in dark blue. Okay, let's do that by breaking down the topic sentence into the keywords. So the first set of keywords, these projects, these is referring to community service projects, can help them gain invaluable life skills. So the sentence that follows should mention directly or implicitly anything about invaluable life skills gained because of community service. And that's exactly what the sentence in black is doing. Yeah. So pause it. Take your time to read it if you want. I've already read it, so I won't do it again. And let's look at the other set of installments. So these projects, again referring to community service, improve their higher education and career prospects. So this also should be explained in one of our supporting sentences. Otherwise, it would be a loose-ended paragraph with open ends. Yeah. So all the sentences in black are doing nothing but supporting the fact that community service helps students gain skills which are useful for future university admission and employment. So if they wish to start work right after high school, community service could be of help as well as for admissions in universities. So that is what leads to coherence within the paragraph. Now let's also check the cohesion part like we did in the previous video. Yeah, so we have the red part which is talking about infringement of fundamental rights, and that is substantiated in body paragraph number 1, which is the view we don't quite agree with. Yeah. Now we also have this body paragraph which is talking about benefits of community service. So the next part of the same sentence highlighted in blue is talking about lifelong benefits of or unwavering support to arrangements, citing lasting benefit for learners. So that is substantiated in body paragraph number 2. So this is what leads to cohesion piece by piece. So our essay is beginning to take shape. We have the introduction, we have the body 1, we have the body 2, which is talking about the view that we agree with. Finally, what is left is the what is left is the conclusion, which is very critical in discursive essays. You cannot have a mechanical conclusion only picking one view of the two and that's the end. No, you have to pick a side and also justify, summarize the key points in the body paragraph. So everything should fit together appropriately, combine well to make it a cohesive essay. So that's a hard work of all the video lessons in this series. The last one will follow this. So in this video we learned how do we take the introduction and first body and the plan to organize the second body paragraph. Okay, and finally we also looked at how coherence and cohesion in second body paragraph relates to everything we mentioned in the introduction. What's next? The only thing which is left in this discursive essay is to make a concluding paragraph, to take a side and give a reason by summarizing the key ideas of body paragraphs, which we will do in the next video. So thanks a lot for joining me. Hope the video lessons are helping you improve yourself and inch towards a higher band score. Comment and connect with us if you want to share anything with us or just appreciate the video lessons. We always welcome everything that you want to speak regards to how we are designing the lessons, right? Thanks a lot. Happy learning. Take care. Goodbye.